Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex, your Euro USD setups for today. So we are extremely oversold here. We are at a big zone of weekly support. I think we've spoken about it quite often, but just running left on this level, you'll see, and you can put as much time or as many bars into your chart as you want. You're going to see the same result all the way back. I think we checked yesterday, right the way back to 97 and even before. So if I just do it on the monthly, 2015, 1997, 1991. So I'm going to go back further, but anyway, point is it is a massive area of support. So I'm very reluctant to just assume that we're going to drop below that. I'm not that naive, or should I call myself not that stupid. So I think what you're going to see here is you're going to see a lot of algorithms, a lot of the big institutions looking to buy dollars at this price. Sorry, to sell dollars at this price, buy euros, because they're going to see value in this level. Moving through the time frames, we're going to see a little bit of chaos, and this is always, I often say this, when you start seeing this kind of volatility, big ups, big downs, end of a move, it's always indication that there is potentially a rounding bottom forming. Oh, that's where your inverse head and shoulders or inverse cup and handle start forming. But it takes a lot of effort to get rid of these strong hands. So the strong hands would be the people that got in short up top here and still holding short. So those strong hands are going to take quite some effort to get rid of them. So at the moment, you can see the big up, big down, big confusion happening, and nobody really knowing which direction to go. When you drill down to the hour, you can see it starts tails to the upside, tails to the downside in amongst the moving averages. Oscillator's not giving you any assistance, and I think the high of yesterday is a fairly important level at the moment. So we are below this weekly level of 106,388. So I want to see us get above it, but I think for me, the level to get above is 106,546. So let's get down to the business end. And when you look at price action like that, you should immediately run away. So tails to the upside, tails to the downside. Looks like a piece of barbed wire. We call it barbed wire. Lots of tails, just lots of confusion. And above the moving averages, below the moving averages. Another attempt at above. We're above the moving averages now. So very reluctant to just jump in any direction here. Definitely not looking for shorts, as I've said already. I don't think shorts is the right play just yet. You're probably looking at some kind of a trend reversal, at least on the 15 and the hour. So one way to do it is get above 106,388, come back, find support, then on to the high of yesterday at 106,546. But that is the level that I would be looking at. I'd want to see a break above that and a retest before getting back involved in Euro USD. So for me at the moment, I definitely don't want to be short. I don't see us dropping much further than where we are at the moment. There obviously is a number of weekly support levels in amongst or in between this 106,388 and 105,332. There's definitely a lot of potential support there on multiple time frames. So the best thing to do is just sit back and watch. So look at it from an hour perspective. You've got a big pin bar here. You've got lots of tails. You've got tails to the upside. There is complete confusion. So you want to see a crossover of these moving averages. You want to see a move above 106,546. Now, one of the things that you can actually do, which is really starting to work out, is by looking at the Bill Williams strategy. And when you do this, you're going to want to do it like on the 30 or on the 20. I prefer the 30 minutes with Forex. but you can see we have a very early signal that the trend has reversed. But yesterday we were above and below the alligator. So the alligator, pretty similar strategy to what I do on the moving averages. It's just it's a lot quicker and gives you the opportunity to get in as well. So you're going to follow the same rules, pretty much the exact same rules. You're going to be looking to break these fractional levels, come back, find support, get in. Your stop is below the previous swing low, removes the upside. But try it, play around with it. It does work. Forex, you're looking at a 30 minutes at least. You can sometimes do a 50-minute, but I find 50-minute just too volatile and there's too much noise. So the 30 minutes is kind of where there's less noise. But that's just something for the future. It's probably from a day trading perspective, it's probably something that we will be switching to or switching back to in the long run, because it's a lot more. Just see this. It's a lot quicker to respond and get you in earlier and get you out at the right levels. Whereas I find the moving average strategy that we're using at the moment is it does its job, but a lot of times there are certain situations where, especially bigger ranges, where it really is difficult to jump in and get the right signal. So anyway, that's just something that's coming. We're busy just back testing just to see whether my theory is correct. But other than that, I am sitting on hands until the high of yesterday is broken and retested. Then we will look for longs. Not looking for shorts. Not at all at the moment. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.